Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi and it's a little bit different for you to be coming into the video at top coating time. Let me tell you what happened. After months of making videos, I still just cannot figure out how to set up a camera. So I was completely off camera when I made this. But it's a beautiful example of the process I used. And so I thought I'll just recreate that process after showing you how pretty this nail came out. Oh, that was a big drop of top coat. Did you see that? Go ahead and give me that giggle emoji in the comment section below. Okay, while she is in there, let's go ahead and make sure we base coat this other nail. So when she comes out, we're ready to sculpt. Well, we're gonna have to add a form, but you know what I mean. All right, I'm gonna pop her in the lamp and we're gonna prepare for the nail. This is how I did that. What we're gonna start with is just some pink Burano. And as you can see, this is where I mixed the first bit. And we're just gonna take a small amount. Just a small dab. We do not need much. And then we are going to take this pretty pink and silver glitter. We're just gonna scoop up a little bit. Tiny bit more, I think. And then we're going to use the spatula end and push it in. And really you just want to push it in. Scrape it back up. And then I like to go one more time just to make sure it's really, really incorporated. And I'm just going to scrape that up and let it go sliding away. Actually, these are just backing papers from the sculpting forms, by the way. Let's take a fresh one. Now I am going to lay down some of the soft pink. And a drop of the white. And this drop of pink and glitter. There we go. It's sticky. Okay, and then I'm just going to use the tip of this tool, and you want to go deep. You want to get it through there. Pick up those colors and meld them together into a little mishmash. I'm going to go ahead and form her up and then we'll build this nail. Okay, I've got my form kind of stuck right there in the middle. Let's pop her on. So while I do this, anyone watching The Mandalorian, anybody into Star Wars, I am reviewing that on my other channel, by the way, in case you're curious about my thoughts on the show. There'll be a link at the end of this video. I'm going to go ahead and use this just to close that up because it like to pop open. And I'm going to try not to go too far down because it does, instead of being a C curve, it kind of turns into a U curve. So, and I think I got too much poly gel, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do now is just scoop this up and plop it on the nail. And then we're just going to make the nail with it. Now I do want to say that the top is going to look the way it looks when you sculpt it, and then after you file it, it may look a tiny bit different. So you don't want to get married to the marble. You just kind of want to accept that as you go deeper, things change. And really, isn't that true for everything? I really love this technique. I think it works perfectly to make a very easy marble. It only takes a second to prepare. Well, okay, a minute to prepare, maybe 2. Don't want to go crazy with the hyperbole, but and then you're just sculpting, right? And it's in the nice blob you want it to be in to put on the nail, so it just works out really well. Just adjusting our shape here a little. All right, I'm going to pop that in the rim. All right, let's pop this form off. We may need to pop her back in, but I want to check underneath. Oh no, it looks really good. It's nice and shiny. Let's test it. Yeah. Oh, and look, I love how the white is just like a vein down there. Oh, shit. Okay, guys, and that's what I'm talking about. It's not your traditional rose quartz nail. I will give you that. But it's a GG glitter twist on the trend. And I have to say, I'm 100% about this. Look at that. I see this in my future. Yeah, I see this in my future. I want to try this with gels too. Oh, once you top coat it, look at how you see all of the dimensions in there. Just give you a different view from a different angle. Look at that. Guys, please be sure to tag me if you try this. I want to see what you come up with. It's like a little pink universe. All right, stay tuned for those reveal shots. And please be sure to share this everywhere that you share your nail videos or pictures or whatever. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.